Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Rosanti, you can call me Rosa. I'm from class 5B, majoring in math education. I will give an explanation related to line and gradient content, so check it out. First of all, we need to know what is line and what is gradient of line. Line is straight one-dimensional figure having no thickness and extending infinitely in both directions. The gradient of line is used to calculate the steepness of line and determines how much it is inclined with reference to the x-axis. To calculate the gradient of any line, the x and the y coordinate of a line are used. In other words, it is the ratio of the change in the y-axis to the change in the x-axis. As in the illustration above, the blue color sloping line in Cartesian coordinate will find the gradient of the line by using the tangen theta equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Gradient symbol is m, so m equal tangen theta. How to find a gradient of line? The gradient of a line can be computed from the following below methods. First, from 2 points, the gradient of a line can be computed from any 2 points lying on the line. For the 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2, the gradient of the line is m equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Second, angle of inclination. The angle of inclination of the line is theta with respect to the x-axis. The gradient of line is the value obtained from the tangents of the angle of inclination of the line with respect to the x-axis. So, m equal tan theta. Third, equation of line. The equation of line is also helpful to find the gradient of a line. The standard from the equation of a line having the equation ax plus by plus c equals 0 has a gradient of m equal minus a over b, and the slope-intercept from the equation of a line y equal mx plus c has a gradient of m, which is the coefficient of the x term. Then here is an example problem. Chan wants to display the family photo frame at the high place. To do this, Chan used a ladder that was leaned against the wall to reach the place. The ladder is 5 meters long, as the illustration below. The gradient of a ladder is. We will find the gradient of the ladder that Chan will use. First of all, we will complete the information of the illustration. From the illustration, there is no information related to the height of the wall that the ladder stands on. To find the height of the wall that the ladder stands on, use the Pythagorean theorem. The formula for the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. As illustration beside, AC as the hypotenuse, which is 5 meters, and AB as the base measuring 3 meters, BC as the height that we will find using the Pythagorean theorem. So, A square plus b square equal c square. AB square plus bc square equal ac square. 3 square plus bc square equal 5 square. BC square equal 25 minus 9. BC square equal 16, BC equal square root of 16 is 4. Since the illustration is complete, we can now find the gradient of the ladder. To find the gradient of the ladder, we can use the angle of inclination with the formula m equal tan theta, m equal BC over AB, m equal 4 over 3. So the gradient of the ladder is 4 over 3. That's all from me. Please apologize if there are any mistakes because I'm still in the learning process. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.